His Majesty the King visited the Gelephu Mindfulness City for the last 2 days. His Majesty was accompanied on this visit by the Prime Minister, the Chief Operations Officer of the Royal Bhutan Army, the Indian Ambassador to Bhutan, the Commandant of IMTRAT and the Chief Engineer of Dantak.
Yesterday, His Majesty visited Choego GMC, the first completed renovation project and architectural reference building in GMC. It serves as an operational base for the GMC offices as well as local and international partners.
Strategically positioned between South and Southeast Asia, Gelephu Mindfulness City.
Surrounded by forests, rivers, and living ecosystems.
In an increasingly
His Majesty then visited the Royal Bhutan Country Club site in Barshong and Tareythang, where world-class infrastructure built by Gyalsung Infra has become part of GMC's earliest assets. His Majesty then visited the Gelephu International Airport site and the sites for the construction of the 𝗠𝗷𝗲𝗀𝘁𝘆 to be built on a single day on November 1st this year. His Majesty also visited Gelephu's old town in the evening. Today, His Majesty visited 𝗠𝗷𝗲𝗀𝘀𝘁, where preparations of the 𝗔𝗂𝗃 to be placed inside the 108 stupas to be built in the Gelephu Mindfulness City are underway. His Majesty also visited the site of the upcoming golf course of the Royal Bhutan Golf Club. This is 𝗠𝗷𝗲𝗀𝘀𝘁𝘆 for 𝗞𝗶𝗴 News.